In this video, we'll take a look at structured reference syntax inside a table. Inside a table, structured references work a lot like structured references outside a table, except the table name is not used when it's implied. To illustrate, let's look at some examples. The formula to calculate the total in this table is just quantity times price. Notice when I point and click to enter the formula, Excel automatically builds the structured reference. The syntax here means to multiply the value in the current row of the quantity column by the value of the current row in the price column. The table name is not necessary in this case, since it's understood to be the current table. If I enter a formula to calculate the tax, assuming a tax rate of 7.5%, we again see the @ symbol to indicate current row. What if we need to reference another table from inside the current table? In that case, we'll need to add the table name. To illustrate with an example, I'll replace the hard-coded prices in the price column with a VLOOKUP formula that retrieves a price from the pricing table to the right. To do this, I'll start by entering the VLOOKUP function normally. For lookup value, we want to use the color from the current row. And for table array, we want all of the data in the pricing table. Notice Excel just uses pricing here since the table name alone refers to all data. If I was to point to other parts of the table, we'd see a more complete structured reference. But the table data is all we need here. For column index, we want 2. And we want to use 0 or false as the last argument to force an exact match. In this case, since we're replacing a static value with a formula, Excel asks for confirmation before overwriting all values. We do want a calculated column here, so I need to select the overwrite option. Now the pricing in this table is based on a dynamic lookup. If I change the price of, say, the color orange, we'll see that change ripple through the original table.